Metal roof flashing. Separating from your roofing material can cause big headaches, but fixing it yourself is way easier than you think. Okay, so first off, if you notice that flashing is pulling away from your roof, don't freak out. You want to act fast because water can sneak in and mess things up. Start by cleaning the area around the flashing so dirt and old cement aren't getting in your way. Then grab some roofing cement. That sticky stuff works like magic to seal gaps and hold things tight. If the flashing feels loose or moves around too much, using metal screws to screw it back in place is clutch for extra security. Just make sure you don't over-tighten the screws or you could damage the metal, which is the last thing you want. After reattaching, smooth out the cement with a putty knife so water won't pool or seep under. Keep an eye on your roof after, especially after heavy rain, to catch any new problems early. One of the most common mistakes with metal roof flashing repair is not cleaning the surface properly before applying roofing cement, which leads to poor adhesion and leaks. So always clean and dry the area first. Another big issue is using the wrong type of screws or putting them in the wrong spots. This can cause the flashing to loosen again or even damage the roof. So stick to corrosion-resistant screws and follow manufacturer guidelines. The third problem is slapping on too little roofing cement or not sealing all edges thoroughly, which just invites water in. Make sure you use enough cement and cover every gap, smoothing it out well to create a solid waterproof barrier. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer when you need someone reliable to fix stuff like metal roof flashing. It helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. For contractors, it's a sweet spot to find new clients and grow their business without all the hassle of hunting for work.